guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to explain you the chapter number 4 of class 7. So the chapter name is Tenali Paints a Horse. So here is the story of Tenali Ramakrishna. He is a very talented person. He used to express his talent in a kingdom of Raja Krishna Deva Raya. So he is a king of Vijayanagara. He is a very excellent person, Tenali Ramakrishna. He used to solve all the mysteries. He is very intelligent person. So here is a story about the Tenali. We will see the story. First you will look at this picture and you can answer these questions very easily. So just look this picture and answer those questions. Directly we will see reading A. So first this is a conversation lesson. We'll see the characters first of all. Characters: Raja Krishna Deva Raya is a king of the Vijayanagara. Already I said. So he is a king. So under his Tenali Raman, poet and jester in the court. So he used to solve all these mysteries. So he used to solve if there occur any problem or there. So he used to overcome those problems. Next, we have the some more characters, first courtier, second courtier, third and fourth courtier. So these are the persons in the his court. Means if there will be any problem, they used to sit like a sabha. So or there we'll see what will happen. So Tenali Rama was a poet and jester in the court of King Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagara. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions that follow. So here some questions are given. So this is a drama. Here we will have the scenes in this. It is a conversation, but it also comes under the drama. So characters, already I said, Raja Krishna Deva Raya, king of Vijayanagara. Tenali Raman, a poet and a jester in the court. First courtier, second, third and fourth. So scene 1, we'll see the scene 1. One day Raja Krishna Deva Raya and his courtiers watch as an artist show his painting to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the painting. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looked displeased. So Raja. So what happened in his kingdom? His courtier watch as an artist shows his painting to the king. The king and most of the courtiers are impressed. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Rama, looked displeased. So what happened? They showed the painting in the court. So what happened? All were happy to see that, but Tenali Rama and one more courtier were displeased. So Raja was expressing his feelings that this is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like this. So what happened? Raja said that, wow, this is very beautiful painting. It feels very calm and silence. So I request you to take this full bag of gold and make some more paintings that will be satisfied for us. So request to the person, artist. So the person who paints the drawings, so they're called as an artist. So artist, your highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. So he was accepted that. Tenali, I don't think they are such good painting at all. So Tenali ignored it. He was unsatisfied. Tenali was unsatisfied with the painting. So he said that I don't think there are such good paintings at all. So he was unpleasant about it. So Raja, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly I think they are perfectly lovely. So Tenali, for one thing, we were in other side of these two men. You can only see the one side or one side for another. Where is the face of that cow? So what happened? The painting was two persons in that. So we can see the two persons only one side. So here you can see this. This is the painting. So here two persons were standing. Only one side of a person, one side of the persons we can see, and the face of cow we didn't see. Only back side of the cow we can see, and the persons only one side we can see. So Raja, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bit that are missing. So what happened? Sri Krishna Devaraya said that how fool you are. So everything cannot be painted in the painted. You must imagine some of it. So he used to say that. So Tenali, I bet I can paint better than it. Well, I could if I had the paints, Raja. I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I'll give you the paint and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as that one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title the king of artists. So what happened? So the Tenali Rama had taken challenge that he will paint better than the artist. So he said that I need brushes and paint. So Tenali Raja offered him brushes and paints, and also he said that I can bet that you can't paint better than this. So I'll bet a bag of gold. So and also I'll give you a title king of artists, and I'll give you a leave for 1 month from the court. So this was the situation over there. Tenali, I agree, a month, and I will show you better painting than that. So here the courtier starts smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtier angrily and walks out. So what happened? So here all the courtiers, the persons in the court were laughing at him. It's not laughing, they were smiling that he cannot paint better than the artist. So first courtier have really caught him out. So I think he thinks he's the smartest one in the world. Second courtier, here see all the characters are coming out. First one said that Tenali used to think that he's the smartest person in the world. Next, second one, he thought he's really painted himself into a corner. I had like to see him get out of that one. I wouldn't to be too certain of that. He's really very clever. Means the Raja betted on him a bag of gold, but he's saying that to all the courtiers that he is very clever. He's really very clever. Now the scene has been completed. Here the first scene has been started. The completely 1 month holiday the Tenali has taken. Now the second scene has been started. So next, the second scene starts from after a month. A month is over completely. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. So all the courtiers were excited to see the Tenali Raman's painting, because he given them a challenge, and Raja also betted upon him a bag of gold. So what happened, Raja? So what do we do today? Raja said. First courtier, sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman show you his painting. Raja, where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. So what happened? It was very late. The day, the month completed. The day when the Tenali used to show his painting. So he didn't arrive at the court, and they were discussing each other why he didn't came. And Raja, he is getting late to his lunch for his lunch. So second courtier, perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the day. So what happened? Raja said, the second courtier said that I think he was very busy in his painting, that he had lost the track of days. Third courtier, perhaps his painting is so good that he cannot bear to part with it. Raja, well, I cannot wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he had lost his bet and a bag of gold. What happened? So the day has been very they waited, the member of the courts and Raja waited for long, but he still didn't arrive. So what the Raja said, well, someone go to his home and tell him that he had lost his bet and also he lost his bag of gold. Next, fourth quarter, it is only fair that if he doesn't make good his most, he should pay penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. First quarter, indeed, yes, I agree, sir, that he should. Third quarter, there he is. He seems to have bought it, but it is covered with a cloth. So what happened? Fourth courtier said that, oh, it is getting late, so we need to he should save some penalty, because he challenged in front of all the courtiers, and he should pay for it because he is not in time and he didn't bought still his painting. So first courtier said that, yes sir, we agree. So they said. Then third courtier replied that, there he is. He seems that he have bought it. It seems that he have bought the paint, but it's covered with white paint. So finally Tenali Rama came into the court with his paint, and the paint was covered with the white cloth. Tenali came into the in with two men carrying a paint covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lifted the cloth to display an empty canvas. The painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few green lines at the bottom. Tenali, this is a description of the picture which was painted by the Tenali. Tenali, good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It is a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. I wonder if I should have the ring trail like that. So this is the description of the picture. He draw a horse with the stars on his forehead. So this is the complete description. So what happened? Raja, what's this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make me a fool of me. There's nothing on the canvas. So what happened? Once to get this. This is the picture. So here he described the picture, but if you look in this, we cannot see anything. Only the tail of a horse we can see. But how was the description? Once again I read horse. Here I have drawn horse, so it's beautiful. Magnificent black stallion with a white stars on the forehead. Look at the polished leather sandal on it. So I have wondered if I should the ring still like. So this is a description, but the picture was nothing. So what's this? So Raja said that, what's this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make me a fool. There is nothing on the canvas. Tenali, well, you were the one who told me that we have to use our imagination when we look at the painting. Imagination that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas grazing someone's lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner. Raja, you old rascal, you have to got the better of ministers were in the bag of gold. Give it to the Tenali, the cleverest man in the kingdom. So what happened here? Tenali said that, well, you are the one who told me that we had to use to imagine ourselves. So Raja said that, when Tenali said that we could to the old artist that where we couldn't find only one side of the face and back of the cow. How could we tell that the painting is good? So now when the Raja said that, when Raja get angry, then the Tenali said that, how sir, you only said that we need to imagine ourselves. So how Tenali said, imagine that the rest of horse is just outside the canvas grazing at some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in the corner. So he said that to imagine that the horse is out of canvas and it was grazing the grass, and you can see only edge of the tail in the canvas. So this is he given them a good message that everything should not be imagined. So here Raja, you old rascal, you have got the better of me. Ministers were in that bag of gold. Give it to the Tenali, the cleverest man. So finally the Tenali got the cleverest man in the my kingdom. He got the tag. So this is his story. I mean, he used to express his intelligence in this way. He used to find out any mystery. So this is the story. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.